Video number 13. Best places to buy Bitcoin. To buy and sell cryptocurrency including Bitcoin, you need to use a Bitcoin exchange. The best cryptocurrency exchanges are secure, cost-effective, quick to set up, easy to use, and accept a variety of funding sources. In this video, we share our picks for the best places to buy Bitcoin. What is a Bitcoin exchange? A Bitcoin exchange is a digital marketplace where you can convert currency like US dollars into Bitcoin. Many exchanges that support Bitcoin also support other cryptocurrencies. Every Bitcoin exchange uses its own pricing and platform, which may instantly draw you to one exchange over another. Advanced Bitcoin users may be interested in more details about the type of exchange. How does a Bitcoin exchange work? Bitcoin exchanges connect buyers and sellers and act as a middleman or a broker in some cases. When you buy Bitcoin using a Bitcoin wallet, the transaction is recorded on the Bitcoin blockchain, which publicly tracks Bitcoin-based transactions. In some cases, exchanges may transact on your behalf and not deliver Bitcoin to an external digital wallet. Coinbase. If you are brand new to the world of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, Coinbase is an excellent place to start due to support for a number of popular cryptocurrencies, a strong security track record, and reasonable fees. It boasts over 68 million users in over 100 countries, making it a popular choice for cryptocurrency enthusiasts, investors, and traders. Coinbase claims it holds over $180 billion in assets and facilitates more than $462 billion in trade volume each quarter. You can trade dozens of currencies, including Bitcoin, at Coinbase. Coinbase offers strong security through Coinbase Vaults, two-factor authentication, and its use of offline storage for the vast majority of client assets. eToro. If you're looking for a simple and focused platform that allows you to buy Bitcoin while learning more about the cryptocurrency ecosystem, eToro could be right for you. Those new to Bitcoin will appreciate the simple and straightforward platform and copy trader system that allows you to mimic trades from others on the platform. You can test the waters with a $100,000 virtual account with no risk to your actual money when you sign up. Once you're comfortable, you can enter a live trade with real dollars. Just take note of the 0.75% spread price for Bitcoin and higher fees for other currencies. Robinhood. Robinhood is best known as a commission-free stockbroker, but you can buy and sell Bitcoin with no commissions as well. If you already have some experience with stock market investing, buying cryptocurrencies with Robinhood will likely feel similar, a bonus for those new to Bitcoin. Robinhood Crypto is technically a separate account that you use alongside your Robinhood stock investment account. It supports a fairly short list of currencies, but that could be fine for many Bitcoin buyers. CoinMama. If you want to own Bitcoin as quickly as possible and already have a Bitcoin wallet, CoinMama may be your best choice. CoinMama features fast account setup and verification. Once you're logged in, you can buy Bitcoin instantly using several payment methods, though there may be a high price tag for those instant purchase privileges. You can use a credit or debit card to buy one of 9 different currencies. When you place an order, the funds are instantly verified with your connected card by CoinMama. Then the cryptocurrency you chose is deposited into your crypto wallet. Those in the UK and EU have additional instant funding options that are not available in the US. BlockFi. If you have a lot of cryptocurrency and want to do more with it without selling, you should know about BlockFi. BlockFi enables you to earn interest when you deposit your Bitcoin into an account. If you want to unlock your Bitcoin without selling, you can also use existing Bitcoin as collateral for a loan. You can also buy and sell Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies with no added trading fees. Bisq. Bisq is a decentralized exchange that doesn't require any sign-up or account. That means you can use Bisq to buy and sell with nearly complete privacy. The required Bisq desktop app is open source and free to use. Bisq supports a wide range of payment methods including bank transfers, Chase QuickPay, Popmoney, Zelle, and Western Union. Trade fees range from 0.05% to to 0.70%, depending on what you're doing and how you pay. Bisq is best for those with at least a little crypto experience. The right cryptocurrency exchange for you will strike an ideal balance between fees, security, and trading options. That's why it's important to determine what you want out of an exchange before you dive in. But if you aren't sure exactly what you want, then Coinbase is a good place to get started. You can buy a variety of digital currencies with a fair pricing structure in a secure setting. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson.